Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can change font size to small online. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Line App in your device. Then tap on Settings icon. Then scroll until you find Chats. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of font size. Tap on it. Next, you can see the option of small. Tap on it. So, this is how you can change font size to small online. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.